cut marble potatoes in half. In a pot of boiling water, I put baking soda and pink Himalayan salt. Slicing up some red and white onions. Spreading them out in a baking sheet, I'm adding my broccoli, generous amount of olive oil, and seasonings. For this one, I used Bragg 21 herbs and spices. We have 2 beautiful portobellos, generously seasoned with herbs and pink Himalayan salt for crust. Do the same thing with your parboiled marble potatoes. I added almond flour to act as breading. Check out the roasted broccoli, beautiful. Now the potatoes and portobello go on top. Give it a good broil, that's high heat. And these are herbs grown from the garden. We got purple basil, thyme, sage, and rosemary. Ithaca hummus is one of the best out there. Create your Zen circle with Ithaca hummus and up the flavor with truff sauce. Fresh produce, quality products, simple techniques, a little attention goes a long way.